Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show and tell you the real tips how to get that perfect, neat and long-lasting relock for your dreadlocks, just like I did for my amazing clients, right in the comfort of our home. If you have ever wondered how to make your dreadlocks professionally relocked and last longer, this tutorial is for you. So make sure you stick around till the end because I'll be sharing some golden tips that makes all the difference. And if you are new here, don't forget to join the family. Subscribe for more dreadlock tutorials and natural hair tips. Tip 1. Start with sectioning. The first thing I do is gently pack the dreadlocks with a band, keeping the hair organized and stress-free. This makes it easier to focus on one section at a time, especially when you are dealing with full-grown dreads. Trust me, having that neat organization from the start saves you a lot of time and makes you relock neater. Tip 2. Before I even begin working in a section, I spray water to soften the hair. This makes it easier to manage and prevents unnecessary pulling. Water is life for dreadlocks. Let me know in the comment section. Do you always hydrate your hair before relocking? I will love to hear your routine. Tip 3. Add a nourishing cream or butter. After spraying water, go in with a moisturizing hair cream. This helps to lock in moisture and makes locking easier. It also gives the dread fresh juicy look when you are done. Pro tip. Use a powder that is not too greasy so your dreads don't attract dirt. Tip 4. Neat pattern equal to clean look. Part your section neatly. The cleaner your parts, the more professional your finished look will be. Use a rat tape comb if needed and make sure your lines are sharp and consistent. This step is often overlooked but is one of the secrets to flawless relock. Tip 5. Twist the roots and lock the base first. Bring out one strand of dread, twist the undergrowth, then go ahead and lock the roots first before anything else. This gives the dread a strong foundation and makes the entire lock firm. If you are loving this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more hair lovers like you. Tip 6, which is the amazing part. Knitting the body of a dread with a crochet pin. This changes everything. Now this step right here is where the real magic happens. And let me tell you, the difference is unbelievable. Instead of palm rolling, I gently use crochet pin to tuck in any loose strand, clean up the puffiness and make the entire thread look tighter and more professional. This tool is a game changer if you want your dreadlocks to last longer and look neat from top to bottom. Don't be in a hurry, be patient. The more time you give this step, the more polished your final results will look. Take your time and be patient. Don't rush this process. Every lock deserves love and attention. When you go step by step with care, your results will speak for themselves. And people will keep asking, who did your hair?